again. Hi, Charlie, you're back again. Back again. Back again. All right. Now, are you ready to? Okay. Do you have your book with you? Turn to page 13, children. Okay. Now look at your book. Okay, Charlie, look at here. Okay, what is this, Charlie? Look, Charlie. What is this? What is this? It's a capital K. Capital K. And what is this? It's a small K. Small K. All right, now. Okay, this capital K and a small K. All right? Capital K and a small K. All right. Now, what is this? Okay, Charlie, can you see this? Okay, now, look. Charlie, look. What is this, Charlie? This is a key. Key. Wait. Did I say the right thing? Yeah, it's a key. It's a key. This is it. Key. Everybody say key. Key. All right. And then, what is this, Charlie? You look at it, this, Charlie. It's a kite flying high up the sky. Hi, guys. You like kite? I said this is kite. Okay, kite. Okay, Charlie say kite. All right. Now, who is this, Charlie? It's a king. King, it's a cat. No, Tira. What? Say the word only. What's this? King. It's a king. Okay, say above. Children say king. You see, look at the wear the crown. See what he's wearing? It's a queen crown. Yes. Yeah, this is a king. It's a king. Say king. King. All right. And what is this? Ooh, it's a hot dog. King, it's a cat dog. Charlie, just say the word. Cattle. Okay, everybody say cattle. Say cattle. All right. Now, what's this? What animal is this? Jumping kangaroo. Jump. Kangaroo. Say kangaroo. Yes, kangaroo. Yes, a kangaroo. Okay, now again we say, this is again. Charlie, look at this. Say after them. Okay, now say after me. Okay, what's this? Key. What's this? Kite. What's this? King. Turtle. Kangaroo. All right, children. Now we all have learned. We have learned already all the words. Now we have to go for the practical book. Okay, like that? Okay, say bye-bye. Say okay, see you there. See you on the practical book. Okay, children? Okay, we see you on the practical book. Okay, see you guys. Bye.